Do it again. Ugh.
If you're not watching the Jeremy Swanson Racing channel, you're a silly goose.
I got punched. Skidding is just grease, I think. Anyway, we're back at the Vice today, and like I said in the last video, we're getting started on some GSpeed goodies. We'll be installing their control arm bushings, bearings, spherical bearings, but we're taking these current ones out. The guy that sold me the car told me that these were polyurethane bushings. They're not. They're Delrin, whatever. They're worth something, so I'm gonna sell those. But they got to come out in the first place, so you can watch that in high speed. Doodle-doodle-doo.
Later.
So I didn't record. I got all the uppers installed, and I didn't record them because I was playing around with different ways to install them. I used the lift, I used the vise, and this last one I just heated the crap out of the control arm with the cold deal in, and it just dropped right in almost the whole way. So obviously that's the ideal way to do it, but I don't know if I want to add that much heat. But either way, check these things out. They are, you get my pretty face. Well, no, it likes my face more than, anyway, you get the idea. They are sweet. So anyway, I'll probably be back tomorrow to do some the lowers, and then we'll maybe get started on some other stuff too.
The next day.
Okay, I'm only going to show you a couple of these. Hopefully it's in focus, because it's all the same process, just a whole bunch of times over. So come on, little Bessie. If you can't tell, what we're doing is We've frozen the spherical ones by putting them outside. You can obviously put them in a freezer. And we're heating these, and we're using science to make them easy to install. I've done a few different styles here. I've done the press just to see how smoothly they go in, and this is definitely the easiest way. It takes 2-3 minutes of heating each time, but that's it. If you do it right, it's pretty slick. And now it's probably only a matter of seconds and it's in there, because they're now sharing each other's heat and or coldness, and I bet that it's probably already stuck in there. But maybe the biggest takeaway here is, remember, that's molten hot, so don't touch that. And even the arm way down here is pretty warm. So we've got, I don't know, another handful of these things to go. So we're not going to have you watch all of them, but there you go. That's the process. There's no more of it.
I know, there's another page.
Okay.
She told me not to look at it.
Okay, let me do it again.
That was my dad trying to repeat my page, or trying trying to repeat my page. That's not part of this.
No, that's how it ends. You don't know it. Hey guys. Oh, wow. Not a lot to this video, as you can tell, but I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe, smash buttons, and head to GSpeed.com to check out those spherical bearings. They are awesome. Excited to have them on the car. And again, it's your fault that I keep doing this at the end of the videos. If you'd help me with an outro, you wouldn't have to deal with the awkward silence. So it's on you. Come back and watch next time. And who knows, maybe we'll be doing the same thing, maybe not. But you better come back.